Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of November. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Cancerians for the last 15 days of November. Okay, so what's there for Cancerians? Okay, starting with is the Nine of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, Ace of Wands, the Two of Wands, okay, the Six of Cups, the Ace of Cups, the Ten of Swords, what's this? The Nine of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, the Sun card. Let's see what's the message from this deck for Cancerians. Okay, the Three of Diamonds. Guidance from the angels for Cancerians. 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 Okay, the spiritual teacher. Okay, Cancerians, with the Nine of Pentacles, definitely you are spending time alone, focusing on your well-being, focusing on yourself, focusing on your upliftment, focusing on your self-worth, focusing on what you think is right for you, good for you, giving a lot of time to heal also. I'm saying healing because here with the Five of Swords, there has been something, there has been a dispute, there has been a fight, there has been something which has caused a lot of emotional trauma to you. Okay, so you are maybe giving it time, trying to think about it, trying to what happened, why it happened, sort of a thing, analyze it, trying to come to a decision what should be done, sort of, can be that. Because with the Ace of Wands, what I see is you want to sort it out. That's what I feel. This is a new beginning. You want a new beginning. We'll see it's with the same situation or it is with something else, but definitely you want a new beginning over here. With the Ace of Wands, you want a new beginning, but something has happened. There was a fight over here, disagreement, argument, whatever it was, and you are giving yourself that time to think about it, focusing on yourself, or focusing, and then maybe you're just thinking of some new beginning. Okay, you're trying to get the right answers, trying to find, being intuitive, trying to sort out your life. Basically, there has been some event after which you are trying to sort out your life, thinking about it, trying to take a decision. You want a new beginning, definitely, for your life, definitely. And here with the Two of Wands, you are now ready to make that new beginning. But here either it is talking about the right time, some sort of a decision which needs to be made. But yes, you have done that work which was required for this new beginning. Okay, you are definitely looking for emotional fulfillment over here with the Ace of Cups, but with the Six of Cups in between, it can be some sort of a reconciliation also with the same situation. If it was a relationship in which there was some sort of a dispute, an argument, or a fight, whatever it was, can be a reconciliation for some of you. For others of you, it can be, for those of you who have decided not to reconcile, for them, it can be a new beginning, just trying to sort things out because you want emotional fulfillment over here. And this six of cups can be about talking about those past memories. You want those happy life, you want that happy life again, you want that happiness in your life once again. So perhaps that is for those who don't want to deal with this five of swords energy once again. Okay, so some of you may want to reconcile with the person, some of you may not feel like reconciling with the same person. For those of you who want to reconcile, maybe you will be able to reconcile also after some effort. But for those of you who don't want to reconcile, okay, but ultimately you want your emotional satisfaction. So some may feel that, okay, if I go back to the same person, I'll be happy. For some of you, you may feel that, no, I want to move ahead in life, I want happiness for myself, which once upon a time I was very happy, and I want that happiness once again in my life. So whatever it is, I'm not going to deal with it. I want a new beginning. I'm waiting for the right opportunity or the right decision, and that's what you do. And you are moving ahead towards emotional fulfillment. And here with the Ten of Swords, I think you are done with it. Some of you are really done with it. Whatever it was which was troubling you with the Five of Swords and the Ten of Swords. So maybe it is obviously it will be different people. So some of you want to reconcile, some of you don't want to reconcile. Okay, but definitely with the Ten of Swords, in any situation, if those of you who want to reconcile also will not reconcile at the cost that you will be dealing with that crap again. Okay, that is done. With the Ten of Swords, you're definitely done with the crap. You've, whatever this event was, whatever the situation was, you're done with that. So you won't be dealing with it again. You don't want to deal with it. That is for final. Okay, so you are done with it. You want, with the Nine of Cups, you want emotional fulfillment. With the Ace of Cups, Nine of Cups, ultimately you want happiness for yourself, you want self-satisfaction for yourself, you want emotional contentment for yourself. So whatever the reason is, and here with the Six of Pentacles, you are looking for balance. You want to sort things out properly. You want to balance life, and here we have the Sun also. So ultimately, your goal is happiness, your goal is emotional satisfaction, emotional fulfillment. Okay, so what, even if you want to reconcile, you will not deal with this crap. That is what it is. That is firm. That is for sure. You will not deal with this shit once again. That's for sure. Okay. So you'll reconcile at your own terms and conditions, perhaps then, or you will sort it out, perhaps. If for those who are reconciling, maybe you will talk to them, you will discuss with them, and if it's okay with them, and both of you may stay together. Can be that also. Okay, so you need to discuss. Maybe that's what you do. And once the other person understands this, you will be able to get that happiness. So your ultimate goal is happiness. Your ultimate goal is not you go back to the person or stay with the person. If the person amends their ways, you're okay with that also. Okay, and here with the Three of Diamonds, this is admiration. This is admiration. So maybe the way you are dealing with this, maybe the way you have built up your self-worth, maybe the way you've dealt with the situation and the way you're planning to deal with it. The main thing here is it's all about your self-worth. You are not ready to deal with the crap, and the other person is admiring you for that. Number 9 may be of some significance for you. The spiritual teacher guidance is there are great rewards in spending time alone. Use those moments of solitude to focus on love and the ways in which you might give to those around you. Shine your light as an example for others to follow. Seek out a spiritual mentor of your own if your life feels unfulfilled right now. So if you need to take a guidance, you can take the guidance. You can go back to your friends. This can be going back to your friends and family to discuss the same thing. Should I reconcile or not? It can be that also. Okay, so if you need, you can seek a spiritual mentor, you can talk to somebody senior, somebody you feel is the right person to guide you. So this is what it is. And the main thing is that is what you are doing with the Nine of Pentacles, spending time alone, because there you are in touch with yourself, and you are obviously able to sort things out better when you are in touch with yourself, and you're able to listen to your intuition basically over there. So let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Cancerians. Page of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, the World, yeah, the Knight of Cups. You see, Judgment, you will reset it, Magician. So here with the Page of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles and the World itself, it was enough to say that definitely you are ready for a new beginning. You have invested, you worked hard in this relationship, so obviously you will be having a new beginning. Oh, sorry, I picked up this card. It was Knight of Cups, the Judgment, and the Magician. So definitely it is a new beginning. It can be a reconciliation for some of you, but definitely it is a new beginning. It is a new beginning of your chapter of your life also, because the other person, if you want to reconcile also, you are offering your love. Somebody is offering your love, or you are the other person, or you, whosoever it is an emotional journey ahead, a new beginning. And with the Judgment, it is definitely a decision, which a major decision which is being taken for the new beginning. Just see the world, we have the world, the Judgment, and the Magician. So definitely a new chapter of your life, a deciding time for your life. So this is a major decision for whosoever this reading is resonating with. The major decision is that you want your happiness, whatever is the cost. You are not going to compromise on your happiness. That is the major decision which you are taking. You may reconcile or you may not reconcile, but you want your happiness. And that is what you have said, and that's very clear to the other person. Okay, somebody here is moving in towards you, maybe you or the other person, and there is definitely a new beginning with the Page of Wands over here. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.